Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka and today's video is finally going to be my hair care routine. And so many of you guys have been asking me to share the hair care routine. I thought finally let's do it, and I'm sorry for the delay. If any of you guys are watching my videos for the first time, let me give you a background and my problematic areas of my hair. So basically this is the second day after my hair wash, and this is basically how it looks like on my good hair days. So my problem areas are I have very thin and sort of frizzy texture and sort of wavy slash curly hair. It's not very curly, but it's wavy. And apart from that, it gets tangled very easily. It is very thin, and if I leave it without washing my hair for beyond 3 days, then it gets tangled very easily, and there is some breakage as well. But the reason that I'm doing this hair care routine, in case you guys have no idea, is a lot of you guys have seen that there has been some improvement, and I wouldn't say there's drastic improvement, but even I feel like there has been some improvement in the texture and the volume as well. And I also feel like a lot of you guys might have similar problematic areas or thin hair or similar textures. So let's get started. So basically, starting off with, I've included some recent steps or some lifestyle changes, in fact. So the dietary changes that I've made are these. So in case you've been seeing my Instagram or Snapchat, I've been posting it. So for breakfast, I've included a salad. It's a good number of vegetables which help for general health and then skincare and even for hair. And some of the veggies which help for hair are carrots mainly and avocados. And I've included a lot of dry fruits, mainly almonds and walnuts, which are good for hair. And apart from this, I've included some other dry fruits as well. And blueberries, thing that has vitamin B, and general green leafy vegetables like spinach. So I generally also do eat quite a lot of veggies. I'm a vegetarian and I like a lot of homemade food, of course. I'm not saying I just eat healthy. I do include a lot of healthy food otherwise as well. But I do eat a lot of junk as well. But let's not talk about that. So moving back to the point, apart from this, I do have vegetable juice in the morning. This is something I've been doing for quite a lot of years now. It includes beetroot, carrot and tomato. You can include any other fruits as well in this, but I prefer just having these three vegetables. And I once in a while drink spinach juice as well. Apart from this, you need vitamin C as well, so you can have just plain lemon water and honey or any other citrusy fruits for this. So these are the dietary changes that I've included, and now moving on to the actual hair care routine. So starting off with hair oils, I've been using a mix of hair oils. Sometimes I just use Parachute or Vatika basic coconut oil. Sometimes I use a mix of coconut oil, almond oil and some other oils. Sometimes I've been using this hair oil. It's actually my brother's, but I keep using it sometimes. It has a mix of a lot of hair oils. And apart from this, I do go to the parlor for hair massage once in a month or whenever possible, actually. If not once in a month, at least once in 2-3 months. And this helps basically relieve all your stress. Since the massage to your head, all the roots and everything, it helps with blood circulation. It helps getting rid of all the dead skin on the scalp, and helps with general hair texture and helps reduce hair fall as well. So this is the hair oil part of it. Currently I'm using Herbal Essences shampoo, and this is not the local one which you see in pink, blue and all those things. This is the original Herbal Essences shampoo. This might be a little expensive. I am not really sure, but I got it initially from Sreeja Cosmetics, Ameerpet, and then it's available on eBay and Amazon as well. It might be around 550 rupees. I think, I'm not very sure, but I'll leave the link in the description box. And this one is silicone free, and I used to use this Herbal Essences original shampoo during college, and it used to work really well for me. So when I saw this, I immediately picked it up. So I've been using this from the past 3 or 4 months. And then for conditioner, I'm using Tresemme Conditioner. And prior to the shampoo, I tried Tresemme for quite a lot of time. So Tresemme was quite good actually. It was quite good for my hair, but then since my hair is already thin, it was good for the first couple of washes, and after that it would make my hair a little too oily. So I moved to Herbal Essences, and I really like how Herbal Essences works on my hair. I'm not really sure if it's good for every hair type, but it has been working really well for me. So that's about the shampoo part, and now comes the best part, which has helped a lot with the texture. And this is something again I started recently, one of those changes which I was talking about. I take a mug of water and mix apple cider cider vinegar into it and just wash my hair with it, like pour it all over my ends. I don't pour it on my roots, but I start from like mid-length and pour it till the end. So this is what I've been doing from the past 3-4 months, and in the first trial itself it showed a lot of difference, which I did not expect at all. It added shine to my hair and it helps with the texture as well, like it helps with the frizz basically. So that's the picture that I was posting on Instagram, and I posted 2-3 pictures. A lot of you guys commented that my hair looks so much better. So that was the result of apple cider vinegar, by the way. And this is not something I haven't read before or anything, but it's something simply that I haven't tried. A colleague of mine suggested this, but since it's so simple, I came home and I tried this, and pretty much easy to detangle the hair now. So thanks to my colleague. After that, sometimes I apply conditioner, sometimes I skip the conditioner, because if you have voluminous hair then it might be good, but since I have very thin hair, if I use apple cider vinegar and then conditioner on my hair, it is becoming too oily for me, and then I would have to wash it again after 2 days, since it gets oily very easily since I have like thin hair. That's my hair care routine that I've been doing from the past about 4-5 months, and the dietary changes that I've spoken about are from about 6 months at least. So you can try these things and they will definitely work for you. Apple cider vinegar is something that will show you results immediately. Trust me on that, because in the first wash I could see a lot of difference. So now also, like, I'm not using it for every wash because it's getting a little oily for me. So I'm using it alternatively, and after I wash my hair, I let it dry naturally, and then with my fingers, I just finger comb it and detangle everything and then leave it to dry naturally, and then I comb it the next day or that evening if I wash it in the morning. I think there is some improvement in the texture and the volume. I wouldn't say it's a lot but there has been some, and let me know if you guys try these. Let me know if it's working out for you guys. So apart from this, after hair wash, sometimes when I want like nice soft bouncy curls, then I use some sort of hair cream to scrunch them. I have been using this Pantene oil replacement, and this is supposed to keep it frizz free and all that. So you can apply it on the 2nd or 3rd day after wash as well if you're finding your ends a little dry. It'll help with that as well, but sometimes I'm using it to scrunch my hair and it works quite fine. And you can try any other hair cream as well, but this is what I've been using. If you have any suggestions for me, let me know in the comments below for scrunching. Sometimes if I feel like it's a little too frizzy and I feel something to calm it down, I use a hair serum as well. Not on the top of my head, not anywhere close to the roots or the top half of my hair, only to the ends. I apply a little bit of serum, and this is not all the time. This is only sometimes when I'm heading out or sometimes when I feel like it's too frizzy. And if you guys have curly or frizzy hair and any other problematic hair, then let me know in the comments below if you have any suggestions for me as well. This is basically something I've been following. I wouldn't say that this is the best way to do it. So if you guys have some suggestions, do let me know in the comments. Or if you have some problematic hair or thin hair or frizzy hair or wavy or curly hair, let me know how you guys manage. And a fellow YouTuber from Hyderabad and a good friend, Suma Mujuri, keeps doing her hair care routine, and she has beautiful curls, and I think her hair looks fabulous. So you can definitely check out her videos for hair care routine if you have curly hair. For some of you guys who keep commenting, don't you comb your hair, ha ha ha, and all that. So as you can see, I do have wavy hair and curly hair. Somebody who writes those comments clearly doesn't have curly hair, because if you did, you would know that combing through curly hair would make it like a fuzz ball, like stand here, and straightening your hair isn't a solution if you have curly hair. Of course, it's somebody's personal opinion. I'm just talking about myself. I'm sharing my thoughts. I wouldn't want to straighten my hair. It's a hair type. So if you have wavy or curly hair, it's good to find ways to manage your curly hair rather than straightening it, ironing it, or straightening it permanently. Or even if you keep on going for blow dries or ironing, it will damage your hair. And I don't like to use too much product in the hair as well. I would prefer something natural. Anyway, those are my thoughts, and that's my current hair care routine. I hope this video was useful. Do let me know in the comments below. And also let me know what are the videos you would like to watch. And that's it for this video, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like if this was helpful. And also when you subscribe to my channel, click on the bell button as well so that you get notified all the time when I upload a new video. I do a lot of fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. I do a lot of street shopping and styling videos as well, so do not forget to subscribe. And I'll also leave my social media handles here. You can follow me there as well for all the updates and we can stay connected that way. See you guys in the next video, guys. Bye.